Hey everybody, it's been a little while. I'm here just getting ready to make some trades, just getting things set up a little bit. Trying to tidy up, get this background stuff going. All right, here we go. All right, so we had some good news this morning. Who was it? Payroll. Was it payroll? No, it was payrolls and the unemployment. So I've already played a little bit. As you can see, I got 170 in profits. This is just another combine. I've got this combine, another combine. I've already taken payout on this one. So yeah, this little ineligible one, absolutely forgot that I had a 5 lot open and went absolutely bonkers and lost that. So yeah, not really counting this one, just kind of upset about it, rookie mistake. But yeah, y'all haven't seen me trading on Topstep in a while. Y'all haven't seen me trade in a little while. I've been kind of back and forth. But past is best. Biggest thing is once I get more viewers, once I get some consistency, I'm trying to help y'all make money. I'm trying to make money. So let's just grow our pockets. Let's grow our bank accounts together. On Topstep, I'm doing a 2-minute chart. These little white lines are my levels that I found in the 15 and the hour, and then I'll fine tune them at the 5-minute. I don't make my lines at the 2-minute or the 1 minute or the 100 tick, anything like that. These are just the bigger trend lines that are not trend lines, support and resistance lines that I find throughout all my time. Like you go to my daily chart, that's how crazy it's been. That's how long I've been doing this. Sometimes I will take them, I'll delete them like right here. This one's, I don't even know when I placed this one, but apparently it was a nice little close and open. This one was just a little bit off, but this candle wicked up to it, so I'll keep it there. Whenever I see like these lines and stuff, oh, well, hold up. There's a couple of wicks there, a little small breakout close to it. If these are straight through the candles with no significance, I'll just go ahead and delete them as it comes out and plays. Like this one right here, there wasn't much action, so we'll just go ahead and get rid of that. That one hit, but this one hit. So I'll keep those two just in case. Yeah, it might be an eyesore to look at, but when you get down into the 2-minute, they really do help. So yeah, let's just go with it and see if we can't make any trades, see if we can't make any money. We got more data coming out. Oh, we've already had it. It's already released. The PMI. Then we got another set of PMI. See how the market's doing. Apple is red, but Microsoft and Nvidia are green. The others really don't matter too much. I haven't really seen any significance with Broadcom, Amazon, Meta, Google really affecting NASDAQ or SPY the way that the top 3 do. So now my biggest indicator is Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. I watch those 3. Tesla, I'll inverse it. So already this morning, Tesla's just plummeted red from open. And I'll kind of inverse that one. Let me kind of go over this too. These are my little EMA lines. I got a crossover set up, so when it crosses, it makes it cross pretty simple. When it crosses up, you long. When it crosses down, you short. Super simple, super easy. It's pretty damn accurate during these days with high volatility. Even overnight, it can you just buy it, place it, set you a little 10, 20 point gain. And what? The high right there, and let's just say 63. So you get in at 63, you set it up to 73. So you would have broken right there. What time is that? That's 11:56. So you get in at 11:26. Yeah, in 30 minutes, boom, you make 10 points. Depending on how many contracts you have, just one con That'd be a nice little $200 gain in 30 minutes. And with Topstep, boom, $200 done for the day. Just need $200 minimum a day for 5 days. So again, like crossed down, kind of came back up, and boom. You get what, low 79. Did it even hit? Yeah, it hit and reached 69. So yeah, you would have got out in and out, in and out. Like yesterday, that would have been a nice little run to catch. 12:30 just dropped. And you don't have to enter in right when the cross hits. Sometimes you could just wait for a little kiss to it and get you a better entry. But I see right when it crosses, candle closes, next candle open, boom, grab it. Just blindly jump in. But again, there's sometimes where you could just wait a couple more minutes, wait for it to come back down, kiss it, and then catch better entry. It doesn't always happen like that. Like this one crossed up, but then it faked out. And that's why sometimes, I mean, you really got to pick and choose when you want to enter and stuff like that. Like the fake cross out, thought it was going to go up, got rejected at that line, and boom. It's just a real simple way of following the trend. Everybody says, don't fight the trend, blah, 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 this, that, and the other. I mean, I like playing reversals because I scalp, and it's easy for me to just get in, get out. Like, dang, I should have just shorted right there, but let's go. Let's see if we can't catch a little trade. I need to unlock that so I can get some profits right there. Yeah. Of course, with the Combine, I played a little bit looser. I'm a little less conservative. So in this case, bump it up to 3, get your 5 cons. 165, how close can we get? Rip it through. Oh yeah, I get to explain this little indicator. This one also is I think this one's called the Vortex. Not 100% sure. Stupid simple. When green's going up, bullish. When purple's going up, bearish. So from here, when they crossed over, right there in that little area, bearish confirmation. Crossed. Down here crossed, up here crossed. Let's get to a bullish one. Bullish confirmation. Crossed over there. You could wait for this part to cross down here, and boom, run it up. Oh, it's getting away from me a little bit. Let's see if we can average. Top of the morning to you, and see if we can't squeeze back down and get out of this trade and look for something better. Thought that was going to be resistance. Ended up not. Should have waited till that candle closed. We can just get out with some profits. Probably not getting hurt terribly bad and take it. Okay. Came back down. Now it's support. So now we'll buy. And I think I double clicked it. Crap. I did double click it. But we will go ahead and take that again. Boom. $700. Already halfway through the day. So yeah, the biggest thing, if you're going to try to do these combines and try to knock them out in 2 days, the closest you get just gets $1,500. You got like $50 wiggle room. So if you get $1,550, $1,450, and then the next day you get $1,550, you're fine. Just $1,500 with a $50 leeway. Okay. So that's what we're going to be trying to do today real quick is knock this out, get that up 1,500 real quick. And we are fighting on this line. You got Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA just kind of sitting still, consolidating. News comes out at 9, so in like 5 minutes. Don't really want to play and chase the news, or I don't want to play the news because it can go in or out of your favor really damn quick. But yeah, other than that, just kind of hanging out, chilling, seeing what the market's going to give us. Let's just watch this, see how we do. And for those who stumble across this video, I will be doing giveaways to where either I will pay you to pay for your combines or eval accounts or whatever prop firm that you're using between Apex and Topstep, or I could I could have you, I could hold your hand and walk you through it and pass it with you for you. Those are my two options, two offers whenever I start actually getting some viewers, getting some subscribers, and people watching these videos more and more. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, y'all see all my trades. Y'all see them live in action. And you see the profit. Like if I was actually trading my, my XFA, I'd already be hitting this little lockout button saying, hey, I can't trade anymore. I can't lose this. We're done. Like that's it. I'd be done for the day and say, all right, cool. You do this, you do $700, 5 days a week. That's $3,500. You get to take 50% out. Boom. That's 3,500. That's $1,750 a week per account. You got 5 of these accounts going, $7,500 a week. No, I did that wrong. That's not 7,500. 1,750, 35, 7,000, 8,750. Be 8,750 a week. 8,750 a week is 17,500. Yeah, 17,500, 35,000 a month. Okay, and that's just with one prop firm. You get over to Apex where you got 20 accounts. $700 is pretty damn good. But yeah, we're just gonna chill, take it easy for a minute, let the market kind of do its thing. We got 2 more minutes before numbers. Then we'll see which direction everything really wants to go. Apple still has a big old gap to fill to the upside. Microsoft, NVIDIA just kind of hanging out still. Google up 0.4%. Amazon's up 7%, so that's a big old. It's got a big old gap to fill to the downside. Meta's up. It was up 0.01. They're still trying to reel in from their earnings. Nvidia's up 3%. Microsoft 1%. Apple down 1%, but that one will be an easy rally back up with this news. We're well above the VWAP on the Qs, and SPY is well above VWAP. So again, let's kind of give it a little bit of time. We got less than a minute now, so as tempting as it is to possibly take a trade, the last thing you'd want to do is let that get stuck into a trade with less than a minute left. These numbers are either good or bad, going in or against your favor. Me personally, I don't like to gamble too much on these things because I've seen what it can do to you with options. Earnings can be great, guidance terrible, and you lose buku money real quick. Yeah. So I mean, just from trading stocks, trading options, I found futures to be the most profitable and the most convenient for me. So let's get this. And we're booming up. So news was good. First move is always the fake out. So let's see. Let's see what it is. Tried to rally up. Apparently, it wasn't what people really wanted. We'll let this candle kind of just do its thing. We're probably going to short this. Yeah, we'll probably short this. Hold up. Let's see. Okay. Forecast was 0. It came in at 0.1% for a bullish momentum. Oh, it's a mix. 3 out of 5 are bullish. Manufacturing came in lower. Prices paid came in much higher. Employment index lower. Spending was 0.1% off, and new orders was 0.1 off. Yeah, I think we're going to be dropping here in a little bit. Oh, we got Fed Logan speaking in 45 minutes. Oh, you gotta love these. You gotta love these Fed talks. So in 45 minutes, we really get to see which way the market's going to be jumping and going. So we kind of let it do its thing, kind of see which way it's going. It's not much. Short it right here. If need be. But yeah, let's look at this. Hold up. Vision. That big candle should get retraced to about 272, possibly. Okay, we're out $900. Typically, when you have a huge candle like this, what is that? 2.25%. It lost 464 on the day. Not going to catch that whole play, not going to catch that whole move. But when you see these big old candles, they slowly get filled back up. This is on the daily chart. You see, big old candle down, slowly filled up, and then boom, all the way filled back up. Same thing here, slowly filled back up. This one took a little bit longer to get filled, but look at that right there. Okay, right where that crosshair is, filled. Wick to top. Also, on the same time, huge up. Let's see if I can't find any big old green candles that got eaten. That one got eaten the next day. This one up, and then when did it finally get filled? About a week later, April 2nd, March 20th to April 2nd. Big old green. That one never got filled. This one did. Oh, it almost got filled. Majority of it did, but that's another thing that you want to look at is when you have a huge fluctuation day. Yeah, that could be a sign of the trend turning, or it could also just be filling back up all the, yeah, because where's that wick at? Right there. Let's just see. Okay. Try to get it right on it. I'm not going to draw a line and mess things up. But yeah, you see these 2 candles right here? This little order block? Actually, you could probably consider these 3 right here just order block. But yeah, those candles all got filled up. So I wouldn't be surprised if today being Friday, you got elections next week, which could affect it as well. But I wouldn't be surprised by next Friday if we're back up here to the 480s, even potentially 780s. and give it a long walk back up. I mean, you can play this daily candle if you want to buy some micros, which are valued at 1/10 of a mini, which is what I'm trading. You could do that and just let it roll for a week. But if I was going to play this and just buy and hold for the day, I wouldn't do anything more than one mini. One mini, and let's see, because on one mini, on this, you have a $2,000 max loss. That means it needs to go $100. The valuation of this needs to drop $100 before you're forced stopped out. You could let it roll. You could stop it yourself. But if I was going to hold for the day, I would just set a take profit and leave an open-ended stop loss. Now I'll get back to my vision. Yeah. Oh, cool. Perfect. Came right down and hit that support right back up. So see if we can't. That's a good support line right there. Let's see if we can't get in somewhere around 47.50. Just got to buy the market when it gets close to 47 over here. And right there. Oh, shoot. I bought 3. Whoops. Well, typically I like to buy 2 and then 3 on the average, but now I guess I'm doing it backwards. Let it run up a little bit. Let's see where $600 profit is. Huh. It's not that far. See if we can't go hit it. Get the scout done with today. We're going to go hit it. Put my stop right about on that line. Take 270 if it hits. If not, we're taking the 615. And boom, we're done for the day on this one. All right, cool. Lock me out. I can't mess that up. I'm within the parameters, so I can make 1460.4 because they will get. You have to be exactly over it. You can't even be 10 cents under. I've been rejected for getting to 52,999.8 or something like that. It was ridiculous. They made me trade one more day. All right, so now we get over to the second account. Let's play this one for a little bit. So you see drop, bigger drop, and 2 candles later, came back up, filled it. Big old green. This one needs to get filled at some point. So at some point, we're going to see 287, so about 290 to 120. We're going to see 90 and 120 get hit again at some point today. Now, this green candle eventually will also get filled. When? We don't know. It can happen in the next couple of minutes. It could happen in the next hour or so. But this ebb and flow is what you just need to ride and catch. So that 200 round number, 192, it might not have liked that. There might not have been enough. Bulls in the market just yet. So let's just see. Could have shorted 188. Let's just see how the next minute goes. Because we're still in that uptrend. Nothing's really pointed down, but this is starting to show that bears are gaining a little bit of strength. Bulls are weakening down a little bit. So what to do? But yeah, trying to manage multiple prop firms definitely can be difficult because you might get a good set of trades like that combine that just passed that 1500. I would have much rather had that on my performance account, like my PA accounts, or freaking even my my Express, But that's the thing. When you're running multiple accounts, you're running multiple prop firms on different platforms and things like that. You will miss some opportunities, but opportunities always come in the market. The market is full of opportunities. So it'll come back down, kiss that green, take a little 470. Yeah, the market always presents opportunities. It gives opportunities and things like that. Oh yeah, but yeah, 75% win rate, $1,500, blah blah blah. This account is that one. This account is my debt account, and that is my account after taking profits or requesting my payout, whatever. Don't want to list it by account balance. I really don't care how it's listed. See, and we didn't break that high again either, which leads me to believe that we will be going lower. So let's get that better average. Put that up to like 750, 820. No, get that out of there. 770 is fine. But if we break that, that's going to be a little bit of an issue. And this account, see, that tends to happen with me. Oh, yep, that exact thing tends to happen with me. Well, all right, cool. We will go to the Express now. We will be trading these one coins. Kind of see what rejected, broke, filled. Yeah, we're still on that uptrend. Let's see how much higher we can go. Anything hourly? Yeah, we still got to go back and fill that whole candle up to about 373. We could be just seeing a nice little bleed up, run up all day today. I don't want to play too much. Don't want to let my emotions get to me. But it's real tempting just to short right here and see. Yeah, we'll do it. Let's see if we can't get a little slide down for a little bit. It just really wants to keep pushing up. There we go. There we go. Drop, drop, drop. We'll just take it. Oh, this weather. Oh, this weather. Hey, my damn throat. You know what? Okay, cool. 9:45. We got Fed speed, and then we got rig counts at 12 o'clock. I can tell you all about that. I can tell you all about rig counts, as that was my previous job. So let's see. What do I have going on? Which count? Which one just got blown? 93.45. 93.45. So we will cancel and close. Continue. All right. Click, click, bunch of clicking, go. Okay. And exit. Open. Ta-da. And that's how quick Topstep is with making their accounts. That's what makes it so dangerous. But yeah, you got it still rallying up. I mean, as long as we don't break this candle, it's still going to keep going up. And that's the problem, is you don't want to try to chase and follow the trend. You want to, like, there's a lot of people out there that do just follow and chase the trend, but there's retracements everywhere. Like, your trend up, but then it came back and retraced. Trend back up, came back, retraced. Trending up, you're waiting for a retrace. And right about there is where I would feel comfortable entering a retracement. What was that? Yeah, 193. Yeah, that's where I would feel the most comfortable. Could make support right there. Yeah. You know? Yeah, we could be making support right there, so let's go. Mm-hmm. And that could have been the high. You could have just long the high. Buy the highs, sell the lows. That's pretty fun on what you do. Let's see, how low are we gonna go? Right there. Oh, perfect. Right on that previous support line. Let's see if we can't get back up to the open close. Zoom in a little bit so that we can make a trailing stop. So it gets to about halfway up, you just start chopping the trailing stop. I don't do the break even because that was the whole point of trading, is to make money. There we go. So we're out 230. Not break even, but yeah, I mean, getting in, getting out, things like that. No. Hammer. I think we are going to go down. If it don't break this high right here, we're going down. Apple's trying to come back up. Microsoft and Nvidia are already up, but they might be overextended a little bit. Let's just see what's this next. So there might be a resistance, or no? Okay, cool. So no, we're still in that uptrend. We're still in that uptrend right there, my guys. So you could just put a limit buy right there. Yeah, it's just wild. How much of that candle are we going to eat on this hour? What's it, 8 o'clock? Less than 8 to 9. Yeah. Well, we'll just watch it and see. I don't personally feel comfortable jumping on that just yet. Any major... I mean, that was resistance between these two wicks that turned into a support right there. This chopped through it. So, I mean, consider that one. This one hit. This one chopped through majority of the deal. This one hit. That one scraped by. I could move that up just a smidgen. Right there. Okay. But yeah, that's a. I don't know how long. I mean, obviously, I'm going to keep this up a little bit, but again, it wicked up. I don't like those wick ups for it to get bashed back down. It just makes me think that the sellers finally stepped in and said, "Nope, you're too high. You're we're dumping our profits now." So let's do that. See if we can't catch 250. Let's zoom in a little bit. Play this whole little. Yeah, when you get these big old candles and stuff like that, it really makes the chart a little bit harder to mess around with. What other? Oh, I'm not even using the VWAP. Oh, okay. Yeah, these big old candles like $33, $16. Typically, these are the type of candles you see where it's like 4, 5, 6, things like that. Yeah. We got a bunch of. Yep. Let's just see. We'll try it one more time. Try it one more time. Wait for a good. Wait for a good pop because once it starts to go, it's going to go. And I mean, yeah, the sellers just absolutely do not want it past that point. What is that? High 45.50, high 45.25. So let's see if we can't get our average a little bit better. Oh, slip back down. Average better. See if it can't come back down and hit this. If it hits that, boom, you're done for the day. So in a position like this, I am going to either let it blow or let it go. One of the two. And it looks like it just wants to go. So yeah, that's twice now that you have just gotten smoked. And thankfully, these are on combines and evals and not a whole ass real account. Because, I mean, again, see if we can't. Man, if this comes back and fills it, I'm done. I will be done. We'll call the day. I'm not even going to play around and play these silly games. Come on down. Oh, wanted to. Should have just taken those profits right there. Should have taken them right there, but these wild games. Let's see. Bears finally had enough. They're saying, no, this is overextending a little bit too much. Bulls thinking everything's on discount right now. Well, I mean, we got the elections on Tuesday. Next week, I might not even do nothing. I really might not do anything on Tuesday. What are we looking like on here? In the area of interest. You've made one, two. You've already made 2 gaps on the 5 minute. This is where it's going to drop. What do we need to drop to? We need to drop to 26. 5 minute, new 5 minute candle just opened. We need 26, which is the start of the most recent 5 minute gap. So let's just see. Mm-hmm. We're just gonna sit and wait. Sit and wait. The sit and waiting game. You know, it's the best thing. Take a payout, get your money, get paid, and try to get your next account. And that way, the next payday, twice as much, double the money. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then you got 2 accounts, you take that payday, get 2 more accounts. Boom. Now you're just compounding it over and over and over again. Apex allows you to compound it up to 20 accounts. Topstep, 5 accounts. Not a bad deal when you're taking payout every 5 days compared to Apex every 8 days. But shoot, you get these accounts going. You get 5 accounts on Topstep going, and that's all you want. You can have it perpetual to where you're taking a payout Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or you can have a weekly payout. So you'll get paid out you'll get paid out twice from Apex or twice from Topstep if you do 1 payout from Apex every 10 days. You could even swing it like that. Yeah, we're gonna go break that high. I thought the Bears had it. I thought the Bears kind of stepped in, but seems like they didn't have the juice. They didn't have the drive. They did not have the willpower. I'm just gonna let the Bulls walk all over them. Yep, came back and kissed your just came back and kissed your average. So I mean, this is why I don't trust candlestick patterns, because you got these crazy little deals. You got what I think like the inverse hammer or something like that, or doji, dragonfly. These would mean a reversal pattern. No, there ain't no such thing as a reversal. Not a reversal pattern. You have to wait for your strategy, your ideas to pay out. So boom, there goes the scout. Yep. All right. So yeah, we'll just call it a day here. That's disappointing, but I'm gonna start just trading the express and get back to it.